Experience untethered performance anywhere the road takes you with the all-new 20V Cordless Tire Inflator by JACO. Easily check remaining battery life at a glance. Auto shutoff lets you preset your target tire pressure on the gauge, start inflation, and walk away. Features our patented Lightning Quick Connect air chuck that locks onto the tire valve stem with a simple push. No cords, no compromises. Instantly release with zero air loss. Our industry-leading 3.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery inflates over 85% more tires per charge versus competing cordless inflators in its class. Hold the power button for 3 seconds and release to power down. Inflate car, bike, and trailer tires with untethered performance. Built-in storage on the base keeps all your adapter nozzles ready to go. Use the needle adapter for quickly filling balls. Use the tapered adapter for quickly filling pool toys and inflatables. The included Press the Valve adapter makes inflating bike tires with Press the Valves a breeze. Anywhere the road takes you, choose superior products built to last. Choose JACO.